How to create Google Business account. Hi guys, so in this video I'll teach you how to create Google Business account. So if you want to learn how it's done, just watch this video until the very end. This is pretty simple, so let's go. So what you need to do is just search for Google Business and then sign up for a Google Business profile. And then it will show you to this page right here, so just expand this one right here. And then from in there, if you want to create a Google account with your business email domain, click on create the profile right there. So I'll just recommend that thing right there. Then type your business name. So for me, it is BM Frames. And then after that, create a business with that one. And then in here, it is the business name. The business category, you can put in anything if you want to. So for me, I will put in shopping center and click on next. And then if you want to add a location that customer can visit, like a shop or office, you can click on yes or no, but for me, I will click on yes and click on next. And then in here, you can enter your business address. So for example, that is one business address, and is Cagayan. And click on next right here. Click on next. Then after that, it will show you where you are located. And then after that, click on next again. And then if you provide delivery, click on no. It actually depends on you. Then from in here, you can add in your phone number and your website, but this one is optional. So you can also skip that one right here. So as you can see, this is the Google Business Profile Manager. You can select a way to get verified. It can be a business video, or you can also contact support, or you can verify later. So for me, I will verify later. Click on this one again. And here you can add in your opening hours. You can also skip that. You can accept messages, but I will skip that one. You can add business description. I will skip that one too. And you can add photos. You can also skip that. And in here, you can claim your free advertising credit. You can claim that. You can also skip that. So your edits will be visible once you're verified. So just click on continue right here. And if you click on my business, your business is not yet visible to customers. So what you need to do is to just get verified first in order to be visible. So if you want to create a business account using that specific business, then you can search for business account Google. Then in here, you can see your Google Business Profile. So click on that again. And you can now manage now right here. So in here, you can see the manage. So it can also sign in. You can see the business solutions and all of that. You can see everything right here. But it is a different thing if you want to access a business or admin account that is for an educational institution or a company. So if you want something like that, you can just head over and search for Google Business Company account. So it is called Google Workspace and not Google Business. So if you want to do that, you can just click on this link and first follow the on-screen instructions. So that's the whole process. I hope this video helped you to create Google Business account. If you have questions or comments, kindly put in the comment section below. And if not, don't forget to subscribe and like. Thanks.